Hi guys, it's Simon C. Welcome to this new AI Radar. Today I have for you the news about uses of artificial intelligence in music. On Future 5, Catherine Knowles wrote that a Singapore-based startup, Musiio, has launched a new music curation service powered by AI technology. Dubbed Do-It-Yourself AI, the service allows users to input a link to a song of their choosing, and within approximately 10 seconds, Musiio will generate at least 8 custom tags, including genre, BPM key, and mood, says Knowles. Musiio has created an AI model that uses audio fingerprinting to surface tag and sort tracks on a large scale. The platform can also generate playlists based on these features. It has been trained on music from around the world and can recognize many genres and styles, especially East Asian and Pacific styles and languages. For music that falls within its largest training set, such as Western pop, its accuracy hits 99%, according to Musiio. The Do-It-Yourself AI demo, recently launched by Musiio, enables anyone to try the technology and see how it better enables search, discovery, and curation for everything from sync to ambient musical applications. Musiio co-founder Hazel Savage says smartphone and home studios have brought about the democratization of audio production, but one of the challenges for the music industry now is to figure out how to handle this volume. Indeed, it takes one person 83 days non-stop to listen to 40,000 new songs. Our AI can perform the task in under 4 hours, as music is created and released at a rate that is 1 million times greater than it was 10 years ago. AI can solve problems that humans simply can't. Birmingham City University wrote on Phys.org that speaking at Folk Music Analysis UK, a 3-day event showcasing cutting-edge music tech, Dr. Isla Ali McLachlan highlighted advances in the field which now allow for greater understanding of the cultural data embedded in folk music. He said, in this era of streaming music discovery, digitization and algorithms, one of the last bastions of music to be extensively and accurately mapped as well as understood is traditional folk music from across the globe. 26 papers were presented at the event, covering subjects ranging from South Iranian bagpipe music to the importance of the beat for tango dances. Tempo, timbre, step changes in melody, pitch, rhythm, combined with different approaches to capturing sound through field research, are all markers that researchers and machine learning use to define the origin, formation, history, and lineage of a particular style of music. Dr. Ali McLachlan said computer analysis is often able to make links that are difficult to hear, but offer an insight into music from the past or how traditions have changed. Graham Bolton on the Inquirer wrote that researchers at Harvard and Dalhousie University in Canada have devised a machine learning system that they claim can identify which member of the Beatles wrote which song. The scientists trained the system on 70 songs from the Beatles' back catalogue, enabling them to attribute particular songs with either John Lennon or Paul McCartney were known based on their musical styles, building up a musical fingerprint of each musician based on 137 unique musical patterns that could be uniquely identified with either McCartney or Lennon. When tested against Beatles songs where the author is known, the system achieved an accuracy of 76%. The system was then set to the task of identifying 8 particular songs or part of songs recorded between 1962 and 1966 in which the authorship or dominant influence remains a subject of debate, not held by conflicting accounts from the band's members over the years. The scientists claim that the system identified authorships with 90% certainty to the songs Ask Me Why, Do You Want to Know a Secret, and A Hard Day's Night, and was able to identify between Lennon and McCartney for different parts of the same song. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time with AI Radar. Bye.